And welcome to our meteorology segment here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, and we're doing meteorology here from a global and a national perspective. So the first thing we're looking at here are the jet streams from nullschool.net. This is the 250 hectopascal winds, a specific pressure band, which shows us where the jet streams are located. A major dip here happening, bringing some very cold air all the way down toward Baja, Mexico. Baja, California, rather. Huge bend there over the U.S., and a huge divergence here over the Atlantic Ocean, pulling some cold air down toward the equator and some warm air up toward Iceland. It's not that warm. Next, the surface winds. There are the surface winds of the Western world. Let's rotate that a little bit. Show a little bit more of Europe. And here are the surface winds of the East. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. And the jet streams of the East. Pretty consistent, coherent jet stream in the Northern Hemisphere, and pretty incoherent jet stream in the South. There's a view of the South Pole. We've got a strong polar vortex down there. That is a counterclockwise rotating anticyclone. It's likely clear skies over Antarctica, at least the central portion of the world's driest and highest continent. Some major bends here. Two low pressure systems there around Australia. Next, your windy.com map. We're going to show pressure. There's the current pressure environment from windy.com. They've got a great mobile app, by the way, so check that out. It's got all kinds of features, and there are even some new features here. We've just noticed this, I think just yesterday. They're now showing soil moisture, moisture anomaly, and drought intensity. So some new data sets there from windy.com's services. Next, your 72-hour positive snow depth change forecast in southern Wisconsin, as well as northeastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and southern Minnesota. Expected to get some significant snow here, around 6 inches there. Again, that's your 72-hour positive snow depth change forecast based on the GFS model. Next, we're on weather.gov. If your county is lit, just click your county, head to weather.gov. If you're on the internet, you can probably access the website because you're able to see this video. And congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. Anyway, we've got a winter storm warning there over the eastern portion of North Carolina. Again, weather.gov. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper, showing you where the teeth of any major storms are likely to be. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S., apparently. Here's a real-time lightning map from blitzachtung.org, lightningmaps.org. And I don't think we have any terrestrial lightning. Looks like not. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch thanks to our Twitch followers. Consider hosting our channel if you're a large channel. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, well, thanks. But you should probably view on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of our content, most of our space weather videos, and lots of other stuff like our Do One Thing segments and our pro driving and riding tips segments are located at youtube.com/smashamash. Thanks to our viewers over there for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Please tell your friends and foes about the channel. Press share. And we appreciate your patience. You can find links below the video to the Smash Team, smashamash.com/Smash Team. It's our subscription services site with which we've replaced Patreon, and we can't show you any more than that because some of that stuff is only for paid subscribers. And let's get back to the meteorology data sets. Here is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. Now, the great thing about water vapor maps, folks, is that they show you water vapor that's not even condensed onto clouds. Anyway, that's what's going on over Earth's largest body of water and largest heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. Yes, yes, the Pacific Ocean. Dry air here circulating off the California coast. Looks like an anticyclone is forming with a clockwise rotation. Next, the all 50 states U.S. Doppler radar map, courtesy of radar.weather.gov. Some precipitation continues to fall here in Alaska, A bunch of earthquakes have happened. Make sure you watch our space weather video, as there's been a bit of an uptick in Alaskan earthquakes. We're going to focus on the lower 48 for the rest of the video. There is the lower 48's Doppler radar map. It's measuring the vertical motion of water droplets. Here's the shortwave radiation map. Yeah, water, it emits radiation. And to show clouds and fog at nighttime, we're using 3.9 nanometer radiation. And there's the water vapor map. Some very cold air here moving across Minnesota into Wisconsin, about to create some clear skies over Lake Michigan. That dry, massive air pushing out the clouds. So here's your recap. It's the U.S. Doppler radar. Clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with a visible satellite. And water vapor, that should give you some idea of the way the storms are going to move. Remember, folks, dry, massive air is able to push around this other moisture because, well, it's more massive. And a massive thanks to all of our viewers for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing we exist. Please tell your friends and foes, press like, subscribe, share, etc. And I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.